Okay, I'm going to do a rear muffler delete on the Dodge Challenger V6. This is what it sounds like with the two resonators and both mufflers. Go ahead and rev it. Again? Okay, shut her down. Go ahead, turn it off. Well, and here they are. These are just fake tips. Under here, there's the mufflers. The little shorties. And the pipe's right there. I'm going to cut it right there. And just extend it. And I'm going to reuse the hangers that are on this. Oh, okay, not too hot. There's two hangers, one up here and one back here. 2 bolts hold them on. Cut the pipe, drop it, cut the hangers off, and re-weld them to the new pipe on both sides. Okay. Alright. Let you know how it goes. Got the pipe work done. Show you what I did. Let's take a look. They're in there. These are just like fake tips. You can see them like that. There's one. There's the other one. They come underneath. Just straight piped it right there. End up using a 45. And those are the two resonators or mid mufflers. I didn't remove those. If you remove those and leave these mufflers, it's raspy, really raspy. Some people like that. I don't like that. I'm going for the more deeper tone. So that side was straight pipe. This side I ended up having to use a flex. My pipe bender was crushing the whole damn thing, so I used a flex pipe. A little tip straight pipe. Mounted in there. Just mounted solid. And solid. Oh, we're good to go. Okay, babe, turn her on. Yeah, that's way deeper. Sounds a lot better. Okay, give it some gas, floor it. Woo. Do it again. One more time. Yeah, that sounds a lot better. I'm happy with it. So, here. How's it sound?
It sounds pretty good. It sounds a lot better.
Yeah. So by removing the back mufflers, it's a deeper sound.
Yeah.
That's what I'm going for. If you remove the mid mufflers or the resonators and leave the back mufflers, you get a raspy sound. If you move them both, it would obviously be a lot louder, but it would have a lot of rasp.
Yeah, and you don't want that.
Maybe in the future. I'm happy. I'm going to see how I'll drive it a few times, see how I feel. If I get unhappy with it, I'll get some flow masters and remove the resonators, the mid mufflers, and just put those in, and it'll be louder and a little bit more throatier.
Yeah.
All right, cool beans.
Good job, babe.